everyone, I'm Robin Anderson, the Operations Manager at Weeki Wachee Springs State Park, and we are so excited for our 2025 season. And we think there's a few things you should know before your next visit. Our exciting new addition to Buccaneer Bay is Pebble Cove. When entering Pebble Cove, you're going to be transformed into a tropical, lush area with our new umbrellas and lounge chairs. And you will be facing our pristine, clear spring of Weeki Wachee. Our concessions will be open to serve you and your family. And of course, the Tiki Bar will be open all summer, serving you tropical drinks. Coastal Cold Cabanas will be available again this summer. These are very popular, so be sure to secure your reservation by visiting weekiwachee.com. For those who want to take it a little bit easy, enjoy our Buccaneer Bay River Ride. Tubes are only $10 per person and you have access to the river from 9 to 4. Along your ride, you're going to float down the crystal clear river, enjoy nature, and just be surrounded by the tranquil waters. One of the things that we're going to ask from you is please be patient and pardon our guests as we are improving our new concession building to bring you a new food and beverage, retail, rental space, new bathrooms, and a locker area. One of the things that we think you really should know is that the kiddie pool will not be open this season. However, stay tuned because a lot of exciting things are happening behind us. We're so excited for our 2025 season, and don't forget to download the free mobile app of the Friends of Weeki Wachee for all the information you're going to need. We look forward to seeing you in the only spring of live mermaids.